This free tutorial will be showing you nesting audio clips in Capcut PC, online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step is if you have a video clip, another video clip, and you want to nest the audio pieces or the soundtracks, basically right click on your video clip and scroll down until you see the option extract audio. Do the same thing with your next video clip, extract the audio, and as you can see we have our audio track and another audio track. And basically now if you want you can delete your video clips and we still have audio track number 1 and number 2. And now let's say you want to nest both of these together. Click, hold, and select or drag so both of them are selected in color white. Right click and you can click create compound clip, and as you can see you have now successfully synced or nested both the audio tracks or sound pieces in Capcut PC completely for free. Again, if this helped, drop a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Check you in the next tutorial. I'm out. Peace. Have a good rest of your day.